Yesterday, I had the pleasure of visiting RJB Grand, a beautiful place to stay at Mirza. The staffs were friendly and service was 10 on 10. I had lots and lots of food, starting from evening snacks to dinner, breakfast and even lunch. The rooftop restaurant is eye-catching and definitely worth visiting. The food was mouth-watering and budget-friendly. The rooms were quite hygienic and well-maintained. My stay was totally awesome. If you are looking for a place to avoid the city traffic plus wish to stay in transit near the airport, trust me, this is the best place. Visit soon.